Today's video is about the truth, affiliate marketer. You want that six-figure income, you want to build it as a beginner, I can show you how to do it. But you know what? The malarkey that tells you that you can just make money while you sleep, even in the beginning, today it's time for the truth and how you're going to get results following this simple three-step process. Let's go. Sleeping and earning is not in the cards in the beginning. Here's why. Nothing's gonna happen if you're sleeping, because in the beginning you gotta build your infrastructure. Once it's built, once you're established, yes, things can happen when you're sleeping or not paying attention, but not in the beginning just for spending some money. So of course, now what's next? We're gonna go over to my computer, I'm gonna do a screen share, and I'm gonna show you a couple of quick steps that'll help you get started to get to those six figures. So it's like anything else in life. When you know what to do, it's easier. When you don't know what to do, it's complicated. You need your autoresponder, you need your reels, and you need momentum. So that means you're going to use YouTube, you're going to use TikTok, you're going to use Facebook, you're going to use reels in all these mediums and all these social media platforms. And the reels work very well when they're done right. So autoresponder companies to check out: MailChimp, System.io, and Aweber. If you want to roll with free accounts in the beginning because you don't have a lot of emails, use MailChimp or System.io. And you want to remember, very important with these platforms, not all are created equal in terms of what you want to do. You can use 30 hashtags with Facebook in your reels, not more. TikTok, don't use more than 4 to 5. And with YouTube, it's more about your title. And at the end, you want to type hashtag shorts in your title. Don't worry about the hashtags there. They don't really matter with YouTube, regardless of what you hear. So that's a quick summary, right to the point in terms of what you need to do and how you need to do it for a quick free start so you can start to build some momentum even on a low budget. If you like the video, remember, hit the bell, subscribe, and like. It helps the channel out a lot, and I'll see you on the